locked out of your crypto and feeling the panic? Don't sweat. Today we're going to uncover how to find and safely back up your Phantom Wallet's secret recovery phrase before that happens. Your secret recovery phrase is your ultimate key, the master password to your entire Phantom Wallet. Think of it as the only way to recover your funds if you lose your device, or forget your password, or if your wallet gets corrupted. First, open your Phantom Wallet browser extension. Look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner. That's your menu icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear now. Locate and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where we dive into the wallet's configuration. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see the option to reveal secret recovery phrase. Click on it. This is the golden ticket. But remember, treat it with utmost care. Phantom rightfully prompts a big warning. It's crucial to understand. Never, ever share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. This is the most critical security measure for your digital assets. Your 12-word secret recovery phrase will now be displayed. Carefully write down these words in the exact order they appear. This is not the time to use copy, paste, or take screenshots, as that is not a secure method. Store your written phrase in a secure, physical location like a safe or lockbox. Consider multiple backups, and even explore steel wallets for ultimate protection against fire and water damage. You can even hide them in plain sight to throw people off. Safeguarding your secret recovery phrase guarantees the safety of your crypto holdings. Take this step today and sleep soundly knowing your digital assets are secure.